Klaro. Hi guys! Walang baha dito. Tingnan niyo, malinis. Malikabok lang.
Ay, maalikabok nga.
Malikabok.
Mm.
Lakad-lakad.
Lakad-lakad si Jeros.
Kasi walang pasok. Isang linggo walang pasok. Maybe there's no space. Walang space?
Dito na lang sa baba. Ah, okay, that's okay. By 6.
Okay. Ano daw?
By 6.
By 6. Guys, really.
Pwede ka nang ano, advert.
We are in grill day. We are in grill day. We are in grill
Tara sa
day.
grilling guys, tikman natin kung masarap ba yung pagkain nila. Tara, pasok pa taas. Akita tayo guys. Ito yung mga samahan ko.
Grill day. Grill day. Grill day. Sige, mag-hi nga kayo.
Hello!
Ay, yan yung napalayas. Yan yung mga napalayas. Ay, luma, napalayas, oh. Bye! Bye-bye!
Fries. Wala bang mas mura dito? Wala. Hindi ka naman kasi nagsabi na mas mura, dapat peso. Ay, ito.
Tato yung table ko.
Palipatin niya si Jero.
Anong kaguluhan yan, ha?
Ate, alam mo ba nung order mo?
Ah,
Hindi na. Tatlo lang yung table niya. Kapal naman ang mukha mo.
Tagal na.
Ikaw ba nagsabi na? Sige, pagbaha, akin na siya.
ay, Jeros.
Asan siya?
Nambabaras.
Yan,
Ito,
busog ako.
yung lampinan. Ito, ay.
Sabi, baka may discount sila sabi.
Oo.
Parang sasabihin mo lang.
Yung ano mo, yung ano.
Ate Rosie, busog na kami.
Itong kumari natin. Ha?
Ay, wow, gutom ang lola ko.
Ano pala sa inyo?
Ba't kinako dito?
Ayan o, may 15.
May 15! Kagaya nung dun.
Page 22.
22.
Page 22.
May fries.
Go to 22.
Brother, how much is your chicken shawarma?
Chicken shawarma 6 dirham.
60 grams. 6 grams. Shawarma.
6 dirham.
6 grams.
Ang mahal nga.
Lagi ako. Nagkipagkita ako sa
Eh,
Hindi ako. Ay, may pera ako ba? Pero pag healthy siya, go gastos mo. Pero pag hindi siya masyado.
Alam niyo na,
Baka hindi mo alam, naging flash.
manghang na.
Hindi,
Hindi siya
normal lang
langhang?
to yung kinanan.
Pero te,
Ha?
nakakaumay daw sabi nila.
Kasi ang dami kasi.
Sabi nila.
Super over cheesy man kasi siya. Okay lang, I love. Huwag niyo siyang haluan na ng ketchup. Huwag niyo siyang haluan ng
Kailangan I
ketchup.
love Jay.
Ha?
I love Jay.
Oh? Grabe ka siya.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother, please.
Enjoy! Enjoy your meal! Buti na lang may takip na siya ngayon. No?
Ang liit na niya.
Lumiit yung baso. Lumiit ba? Same ba?
Same lumit yung laman.
Same lang din. Same siya.
Friday, aabot ba kayo? Half day lang.
Baka anong tawag dito? Halil. Kailangan niya ng pera ngayon. Rose? Oo, yan.
Nakapadala na siya.
Nakapadala.
Yun lang in-order siya. Hindi ka kumain. Sabi nyo kasi late na rin. Piling naririnig namin, take away. Niya ko eh. Pumunta na nito kumuha.
What?
Hi ate. Magsusurvive to.
Manang-mana sa ano?
Bakit kumagasing nga? No, because you know earlier I heard you. My gosh. She's talking to herself again. That's why I came there. I need my patinko. That's why you have to sit here.
I like your headband.
Oh.
It's so pretty.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Your mother's sitagin tayo.
I think it fits to my hair too. I
No,
want to
it's
buy
not.
one like
No.
that. I want the strawberry design right here.
Marian, go upstairs. I want strawberry design.
Yeah,
Okay.
if you have an
If
extra
I
one, I'm
see
willing to
Like that?
accept.
Okay, I will buy it for you.
Yeah. Did you have dinner already?
What?
Dinner.
Dinner? Not yet. I'm still busy doing something.
Oh, you're earning money.
What?
You're earning money from what you're
I'm
doing.
done with the research thing.
Oh,
I'm now with
you're
the.
really smart, you know.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you're happy that
No.
you're being
Yeah, I'm done with
complimented.
the
You're
research. And
talented.
then I'm happy to tell you
smart.
that there's no correction with my work.
Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of you.
Thank
And
you
your
so
parents
much.
might be proud of you too. Oh, really?
I'm the one who really likes you here.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you to sit here.
I know.
I like to sit.
I respect
you,
the
yeah.
privacy of these people here. Maybe they don't want me to be here, that's why I can stay up. And I promise you I won't be crazy and I won't be
Okay.
insane.
You know, because I thought you have some sort of, mental breakdown upstairs.
No.
Because I thought you're trying to kill yourself.
You're recording me. You subscribe to Adelaide's channel.
Kulat ka. Ang cute ng mug mo.
What's with you there upstairs?
Cute.